if it is fscanf, okay, record format data is there. Example, I will tell you, if data is in the form like this, okay, data is in this format, then how to read? Same, while of guys, see how to read. First write the student record, or the data is stored in the form of record format. Then how to read? We can use uh, scanf. This is FUIF of same FP. First write these records. How to read this data from the file? See, not you should use not. Why? Because if it is not pointing the UIF character, then how to read? One by one, I want to read fscanf of which value I want to read from that file. Okay, what are the values I want to read? Percentile D, percentile S. Don't use spaces. Percentile S, percentile S again, percentile S. That is what? First value is student number, read student number, student name for directly address is not required. Okay, branch for also address is not required. Phone number also not required. This is okay. We can read like this. Whenever you got this, that print them. Okay, reading into variable and print it. Auto print, we can print them in the next line. Printf, it is used to print slash and percentile percentile s, percentile s, percentile s, print s number, s name, and branch and phone number. We need to print them. This is reading and printing. Give delay. If you want to give delay one by one record 10, we can use it. Okay, this is using fscanf. We can read using fscanf. If data is in the form of like this, first record, second, that is s number, percentile D, string it is percentile s, string it is percentile s, contact number also string we have taken. Okay, read them and print it. First record will read. After that, second record, third record, up to the end of the file, this will move, and file pointer will move to the in different locations, right? Finished? Huh? Next one. See, uh, we discussed this program. What is F's characters? What are the uh, fseek? What is fseek function? ftell function? First write ftell. Only write ftell. Only ftell. It is a predefined function which is declared in stdio. Using this function, we can find the size of the file. We can find out size of the file or length of the file. ftell. One point, we can find out length of the file or size of the file. Length, not size exactly. Length it is. Length means how many characters are there. Size is different, right? Length is different. How many characters are existed. ftell, right? ftell, only ftell. And what it returns? Syntax is what? Long parameter. Long int it returns. How many length? Okay, how many characters are there? After that, right, fseek. It is used to find out the cursor position where it is declared. We can change the position of file pointer. I want to read from third record. I want to read from fourth record. I want to read from fifth record. Then we have to use fseek function. It is a predefined function which is declared in stdio. By using this function, we can change the position of file pointer. We have three constants. We have three constants. What are the three constants? I will tell you. Finished? Fseek, right? Fseek. After fseek, three values. See, seek set. It provides the beginning position of the file. Seek set equivalent to 0, and seek current. It provides the current position of the file pointer. Current value is equivalent to 1. Seek end. By using this point, we can recognize the enough place of the file. Equivalent integer value is 2. Okay, write these three values, guys. Seek set. Seek set. Seek current. Seek end. Three values. Values, remember, seek set value is 0, seek current value is 1, this value is 2. Seek set, it provides the beginning position of the file. See, these in one day you cannot learn this files concept, guys. Okay, depends upon a requirement. We have to write different programs. See, in one day, this topic is in one day you cannot learn. We have to do practice. We do one small project, then you can understand the files. Okay, reading writing is okay. What is seek current, seek end? Okay, how to learn this seek and seek current? If I tell what is this is a beginning of the file or this is ending of the file, if I tell also, if I if I if I give an example program also, you cannot understand. We have to do. You can understand, but if you do a practice, you can understand clearly. Are you following? This is by practice only you can understand what is seek current, seek set. You can understand if you have done one small project on these files, then you can understand. Okay, I will explain this. See, we'll do one small project. I will explain after data structures linked list topic. After linked list topic, I will give one small program. Okay, a small project. We can do that. Seek set, seek current, and seek end. Okay, Lot of topics are there in engineering. What will happen? Just they teach only basics. That is a file. That's all. File opening, file read, file write. That's all. Okay. Many topics are there in the files. Not only files, in all the topics. Okay. See. Seek set value is 0. Seek current value is 1. This value is 2. Seek and no, no. What you have to learn in files. Nitin, sir, for good placement, what topics in files do we need to be perfect? No, no. See, in interview point of view, don't learn any subject. Okay, learn the subject, learn any topic, learn all the topics perfectly. Learn all the topics perfectly. In interview, what will happen if you ask any questions, we can answer the questions. Okay, I don't want to teach interview questions only. See, I told you, see guys, yesterday I sent one file. I did not check that file. Yesterday only I downloaded that interview questions. After completion of the C programming, after completion of the C programming, we will check this. Okay, whether can you answer these questions or not? Can you answer these questions or not? We discuss. I did not check these questions also. Okay, some questions I checked right, but I did not check all the questions. After today class tomorrow, we go through these questions. Can you answer those questions or not? Can we answer those questions or not? We will check. Okay, understood. Whether you understood the subject or not. Can we answer those questions? If you ask any questions from C language, can we answer or not? We'll check once tomorrow class. Okay, this is valid or not. Okay, can you answer? How many questions we can answer? How many questions we can answer? We'll discuss. Okay, see. What is seek current and seek end? We see. What is seek current and seek end? See guys, this is what is the question? Read the content from the file and reverse the string and again write it into the file. Understood? That question is what? Read the content from the file and reverse the string and again write it into the file. Okay, here we are reading one file name. We are reading file name. Long int size we have taken, I is 0. Enter the file name. R plus mode we have taken, R plus. Okay, F opening is R plus. Okay, if fp equals to null, that is a file not found. You know this file not found, this is error. Okay, what is this? Fseek of fp comma 0 secant passing to the end of the file, that file pointer. Secant means what? Move to that fp value move to that last location. Find out a file size. This is the file size. Where is the file pointer? Last location. Secant, last location, it say. Okay, now what we are doing again, starting location we are setting this 0 location. Fp equals this seek set passing to starting location. How much memory is required? Malloc is, I told you, right? Malloc string for that much size will be allocated. The total size, what we are doing, reading from that file, ch equals to f get c of this. We are reading the data we are storing in this. Okay, we'll see. Okay, what I want to do, uh, I want to reverse. I want to print in reverse. Example, we'll write this program. This text is there, right? This text is there. This text I want to reverse and I want to print it, that file. Okay, how to reverse and how to print it, we'll check it. Okay guys, see, a file pointer I have taken, file name we have taken. And also one pointer also I am taking char star ch. What is ch? I will tell you. Enter the file name to read. Enter the file name to read, and file does not exist. I want to read. Okay, if you want to read, before reading, I want to find out file length. Take a file length. How to get a file length, guys? See, long integer take long integer size I have taken. Size is what? Size. Okay, how to find the size? How to find the size? Move the cursor to last location. How to move the cursor to last location? See, this is our fseek of this location. Fp comma 0 and seek end. Okay, see, fseek fseek fp comma 0 comma seek underscore end. What will happen? It moves the cursor to last location. If the file is there, example, if file is there like this, it here file pointer is moving to this location. Moving to this location. Okay, how many times it is moved? That using ftel we can find out that length. Okay, how many characters are there? Okay, see this. Then how to find out size equals to what I have to write? Ftel of fp, right? This is ftel of fp. Then what will happen? We can find out that size value will be stored. Print that size. Once I want to see this file size value. Print a size. How to print the size? Percentile ld size I want to print. Size I want to print it. See. Okay, we will write later this. We write later. What is size of this? Okay. What happened? I moved to cursor last location. Find the length. One error. Undefined symbol. Seek end. End D, right? Caps. Enter the file name D drive online 3.txt. 36 character. Online 3.txt means which location? This online 3. This one. This one. Okay, read entire string and store in one variable. Store in one variable. Okay, memory allocation is required. How to allocate a memory? For what you have to allocate a memory for ch? Allocate memory for ch. How to allocate memory for ch? Ch equals to mloc of, I told you, right? Mloc of size of how much mloc of how much memory is allocated, size is required. What is size? Mloc of size means here size will be allocated. How much size is there? 36 characters it allocates. 36 character, right? Now, where is the pointer now? Pointer is in this location. After here it is there. Here it is there. Okay. How to move this pointer? This is FP to starting location. I want to move the FP to starting location. Yes, tell me which how to move that starting location. Which function is there? Which function is there? Varalakshmi.
Sir, seek set which will move to the beginning of the file.
Beginning, yeah. Seek set. Tell me, guys, how to move to the starting location. F. Tell me what I write. F seek.
Fseek of fp
Uh,
0 and seek set.
seek underscore set. Okay. It moves to the starting location. It moved to the starting location. Okay. Uh, then read. I want to read and store in. I want to store in ch. How to read? Tell me how to read. You know this. How to read? If you want to read whether file is existed or not, we can write if fp equals to null. That is a file doesn't exist. Printf file does not exist. File does not exist. If file is there, else block. Here you need to write. If file is there, if file is there, yeah, guys, tell me how to read. How to read what? How to read, guys? Tell me while of not feof of, you know this, feof of fp value. Which format you want to read? String format. Okay. How you are reading string? Directly we can use a fgets. Yes, we can use fgets of fgets of what I can write. That is a pointer. Can I write directly? Can I write directly or one by one? Can I use fch of this? Fgets of F get S of what I have to read? FP. F get S of FP. Okay, what is F get S? Syntax is what? We check it syntax. F get S. What is the syntax of get S? That format F get S. Check it once. F get S syntax. First parameter or function. First parameter or function we check it. F get S. Check it once. F get S. First string parameter, and size and file pointer you have to take. F get S of this and string parameter how many characters you are reading and file pointer. See how to write F get S of uh, we are storing in ch. What is size? Size also size you can take which how many characters you are reading from file. That string after reading everything stored in ch, print it. How to print? Printf of percentile s. I want to print ch. Okay, after that f close. Reverse you want to print. Reverse how to print I will show you. Execute once. Two errors. F close. Yeah, f close of fp. F close of fp. One error. While statement. Brace parenthesis close. Open guys. D drive online 3.txt. Size is only s character. Okay, only one character stored. What is or if you want to read one by one character, also we can read. That is anyway it is a string, right? Updates now size of 0 to fp. Okay, we check it. D drive online 3.txt from 0. Infinite loop is coming, that's why it is not coming outside. Alt control press break. How to stop infinite loop? Alt control paste break. Control press break. What happened? This one by one. See, this is F gates also we can use. Or file directly. I want to take it as file pointer. You can take it directly. I want to store in fscanf. I will take it directly, guys. Fscanf of read a file pointer from percentile s directly string I want to read percentile s from fp. Sorry, into which one? Ch. Once execute. S D drive online 3.txt. Format specify infinite loop. This is a memory error. Because of memory error it stopped that. Program name we saved as ol3 dot. ol 3 dots, yeah, this is size seek set. We are reading that file up to 32 characters we have to read, or one by one character also we can read up to the end of the file. See, one by one character I want to read. If you want to read one by one character also we can read. This it is not coming. See once ch equals to ch of I equals to what I'm writing plus plus I will take plus plus one by one character. Use f get c of fp. I'm using another type, fgetC. I want to use that function. See, what is I value? Take I value 0. Now I want to take I value 0, I equals to 0 from first character to. Okay, next time it will increment. This is declare I. Once execute, D drive online3.txt. Welcome to files concept using outputs. It is not stopping to the last character. Why it's not stopping? Hmm? Percentile as ch value. We are printing ch. Okay, last character initialize here ch of I equals to null character I am initializing /0. Null character we are not initializing. See this, enter the file name D drive online3.txt. Welcome to files concept using outputs. Okay, why first character it has come? Direct it has taken, take from -1 here. -1 you can see now. Now D drive online 3 dot. I will explain guys once. See this. Welcome to files concept using outputs. I want reverse. If you want reverse this, we can use strrev of ch. strrev of ch. Once execute this, D drive online3.txt. See this reverse. Okay, read the total string and reverse it. See once again I will explain. See guys, take a string. I have taken enter the file name, read a write mode. I move to the last position, find out the ftl, find this position, the size we are printing, allocate a memory for that. How much size is required? File 36 characters are there, 36 memory will be allocated. Again, moving to the starting location. After you know this logic, how to read it using fgetC. Okay, guys, write this program. Question is what? Question is what? This is a question. Uh, read the content from the file and reverse the string. That's all. And reverse and print it. Reverse the string and print it. Question. Okay. Read the content from the file and reverse the string and print it. Yeah, this is a program.